welcome back, or hello if you're new. I am Feb, and today I'm looking at the Unearthly Shattered Snowfall collection. So this I actually ended up getting from Monolith. It's not been that well advertised, I didn't think. I mean, I know it came out in the winter time. It's a collection of several pieces. All of the eyeshadows come in individual little packets in this box, which you can then put in the eyeshadow palette which they provide for you. And isn't that just absolutely stunning? This whole aesthetic, I'm so all about it. There are two lipsticks, a lip gloss, and a highlighter. I'm not the world's biggest fan of lip glosses, but let me show you what the lipsticks and lip glosses look like. We've got Fractured Halo and Glacial Bite. Packaging's really shiny, so it's quite hard to see. We'll start with Fractured Halo. And the component looks like this. It's shiny and absolutely gorgeous, right? Got the Unearthly on this side. It's magnetic, which is cool. So no worries. And this one is a sort of gold colour. They're menacing metals, they're called. And I'd call these toppers. So on its own, that's what it looks like. It's very pale champagne. The other one, I'll put it over some lipstick in a second so that you can see it. The Glacial Bite, same deal with the component and so on. This one, it's very, well, it looks whitish blue, doesn't it? Bluish white. And it's super shiny. I mean, they both are. Wow. I'll put them over some lipstick. Okay, so I'm a matte girl. This that's on my hand at the moment is Lisa Eldridge's Fawn. So we'll just put one over one so that you can see what it looks like. Oh my god. And then the other. I honestly don't know if I'm going to wear these, simply because I never went for that 90s frosted lip look. I've always been a matte girl, and so for me this is quite a departure. Also, and I hate to say it, but I can't bear lip gloss. I just don't like it. Any lip glosses, unfortunately, just don't get on with them. I hate the feeling of my lips being sticky, and yeah, I hate it sticking to everything. However, I've got to say, this one from Unearthly is so pretty that it's a keeper, and I will for sure be using it. So, you see that shine on it? And it doesn't feel like it's sticking your lips together, which I appreciate enormously. And whilst we're doing all the shiny things on this hand, I'll show you what the highlight looks like. This is called Ice Whisper. And it's a teeny little box, super cute. And it looks for all the world like it's blue, doesn't it? It looks like an icy blue, but when you put it on, and this is the weird thing, pop it there, it's pink and blue. It's at least a duochrome. Kind of cool, actually. I like it. I don't care for pink highlights particularly. I do have a few. But this one, actually like this thing. So yeah, that's that. Beautiful. Okay, let's get on to the star of the show, which is the eyeshadow. And I'll just wash my hand off and then we'll swatch them. This is what the palette looks like. Gorgeous, right? Okay, my hand's still got glitter on it, but not to worry. We'll do the mattes first, unprimed, clean hand, and then we'll do the shimmers because they are quite exciting, I think. Let's have a look. We've got a very neutral brown, kind of grey, this lovely seafoam colour, which is the reason why I bought this. It is so beautiful. And speaking of buying it, it originally started off on Monolith as, I think it was 140 quid or something absolutely shocking like that. So I just turned the page over. And then it went down in price to 122 quid. And I kept on walking. And then it went down again to £88. So I'm not complaining. I'm quite happy with that price. I think it's good value for money if you're going to use the lip products. And then this beautiful beige. Gorgeous, right? What a lovely palette of mattes that is. I cannot resist a winter colour story, and I certainly can't resist that shade right there. I haven't used it on my eyes yet. I'm simply showing it to you as it's arrived. So let's do the shimmers. Okay, this one looks like it might be a duochrome. Oh, it is. It's very pretty. It's a lilac gold. And then there's this very iridescent, very pale yellow with silver sparkles. Very pretty. And this one, which is the most stunning blue. Oh yeah, it does. It shifts to green. That's quite aqua and purple. Very pretty. All right, let's carry on. We've got this pale blue. Again, with very beautiful sparkles in it. Silvery looking. And this, which is a sort of gunmetal silver. Stunning. And then last but not least, this silver here. Ooh, that is wonderful. It looks like it's got holochrome sparkles in it. And that is a gold shift to it. It looks silver straight on. Then it has that wonderful gold. What a pretty palette. I am very impressed with this. I'm so glad that I do have it now. It's been at the back of my mind. You know what I mean? Just like sitting there festering, and I've been wanting it for such a long time. So I'm very pleased to have it. Do let me know, did you buy it? And are you a big fan of the Unearthly? I really like this new formula that they have. It is worlds better than their old one. Okay, I'll leave it here. Call that the end of the video. I'll see you soon for the next one. Bye.